Hello everybody, so this is my Suzuki GSX-R K1. As you can read by the title, I'm gonna be lowering the bike. In the week I shortened my kickstand a bit, because the lower the bike is, the more upright the bike is standing, so it becomes to its tipping point. So I took 20mm out of my kickstand. My links is already installed into the bike. As you can see, this is the loading link. At the moment you can see also it's on its center position. That will be the stock ride height. So I think it's about lowered already 2 centimeters, 20mm, and this will lower the bike almost by 40mm or 4 centimeters according to the link that I've got installed. So on the other side, I'm gonna struggle to reach the nuts and stuff, so I'm gonna have to take off both my fairings to make it easier to work. Okay, now with the fairings that's off, now I'm gonna raise the back ends of the bike. I don't have fancy jacks or so I'm just gonna use a normal car jack. Just gonna raise it here by the exhaust. Slowly lifting it up. Okay, so the wheel is loose, so now I can both untighten these 2 bolts, or this, basically this bolt, and take the bolt out and lower the jack a bit, and then yeah. Okay, so now that I've loosened the now that I've loosened the nut on the other side, taking it off, you'll see it's still very stiff. So now you load the bike slowly so that it can make contact with the ground. You can see it slowly. You can see, it's loose. So once you've jacked back to a certain point, you can take out the shaft. Now you'll see that's where it was. Now I'm just gonna slowly lower the bike. You can see as I lower the bike, it moves. So then you just lower it so it lines up with the holes. and you put the shaft back. And there you've got it. So once the shaft is back, you just go on that side. You see the shaft is also in. This nut back, and that's it. And I can take off the jack completely. And there you have it. All I'm just going to do now is I'm going to tighten this bolt up again, and then my bike is lowered at the back. Then for the front, understand it's like a height now. For the front it's just those bolts there, and these bolts at the bottom. But I'm not going to do that because I don't have the tools to do that. My fork seal is just leaking, so in next week I'm going to take my bike in for the forks to be fixed. So while the forks is out, they're going to lower the front end also for me. So now all I must do is I must put my fairings back on, tighten that bolt, and then I'm done. So basically first tighten that bolt and put my fairings on, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. There you can see fairings is back on, bolts is all tightened up. Now you can see how the bike looks. Looks quite neat, quite like it. My feet can touch the ground a little bit better, and hopefully help some of the Suzuki K1 owners. Please leave a like to this video, took a lot of effort for me, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, go check out my other content of my channel, lots of racing stuff and so on. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.